There's no denying that women have a history of having their needs silenced, even as times have changed. It still isn't easy to communicate our needs and expectations. In a relationship, it's called nagging. At work, it's called being difficult. And in family settings, it's called being needy. Some women live their entire lives expecting to get adequate love and appreciation. It's a reasonable expectation, but no one is going to commit to loving and appreciating the way you need to but you. And this book is the ultimate tool to help you transform into a confident, powerful woman who is in control of her own destiny. Here is a small preview of what you will find inside. Exercises. Connect with your feelings, let go of limiting beliefs, and explore all that you are. Advice. Everyone else is claiming their story, but you're just standing in the background. Learn to value yourself and recognize your own strength. Affirmations. How words influence your actions and how to craft them to manifest the life you want. Self-esteem. Embark on a journey of building a truthful and loving opinion of yourself. And much, much more. Begin your self-love journey and become the stunning woman you've always known yourself to be.